Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and click on Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select Settings. And then here you can type JavaScript. Now, click on this option here for security and then scroll down and you will find this thing for JavaScript assembly. You can select whether you want to use it or you do not want to use it. Now, click on this option once again. You can go back to settings and then insert settings. You can type JavaScript once again and this time click on site settings. Now, scroll down and you'll find JavaScript. Click on this and to disable JavaScript simply click on don't allow sites to use JavaScript, and when you check the first one it will allow sites to use JavaScript. I suggest keeping it at the first one or else many websites will become unusable. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.